Look, you see water. When we go around, see the message getting done like that, please station number 7. Jesus spoken. And then the church
Där Oliver Fettler.
You have the birth of the woman, you have the birth of the man.
Yes.
And this wall from there to the end where the Organ is spoken is 85 meters.
Okay.
Now, there is a tunnel. I'll show you after the tunnel.
Groutmoore mycket. Gamla Jerusalem. Maria May. Mjög skrítið lykt er það. Þetta er svona hérna og hér er heimilið Maríu May.
Good. Okay.
Þetta er mjög nafnarni. Hérna heimilið hennar Maríu May.
Okay, then it's okay, no problem. But it's the way of, by the way of the list, you see the Alps, there is open bomb.
Okay.
And then it's the court for the country, the rest of the others, and the only and put the crown.
Okay. Gömul kirkja í Jerusalem. Og blómin hérna. Hérna labbaði Kristus og á fangelsunni þar sem Jesús Kristur var.
très bien. Oui. Non, c'est quand même impressionnant. Écoutez, on est descendu, donc on est vraiment à l'époque d'il y a 2000 ans.
Hetna samkelse Jeesus. Rassalamita riikkui avreikelsi.
Here and in the church.
Tämä on reivinkui.
This is very text. Yes. You know what? Nobody show you what I show. No. Even you take 2 times.
Þetta fangelsi sem hafa líka Þetta var Jesu með krossinn. Þeir talaði
Yes, we think inspired you. Yes.
وين يا ابويك وين كبير؟ وين يا عمي؟ يا وين؟ voru fara sem Jesú var í fangelsi áður en hann var krossfestur.
But you know, Jesus was buried, but 3 days after Jesus.
Hérna er gamall kirkjugarður. Og þetta er kallað Mount the Olive. Hérna er bara, já, þetta er risastór kirkjugarður, sko. En hérna er flott útsýni.
When we walk, we start from the other side.
Yes.
Now, in the first temple, the Jewish buried here. All is Jewish city. Okay. Now, here is where you see that where we just come in.
Ja,
You see
þetta
the
er bara flott.
Yes.
You see is the Golden Gate.
Oh, okay.
And then where we start, you see where the traffic
Þetta
there.
er litla gamla Jerusalem.
The Stephanie Gate, where is Maria was buried. Now, in the first
Þetta er örugglega ekki grafhýsi. Ég veit það ekki. Þetta fekk Jesú kossinn frá Júda þegar hann sveik hann. Peningagráði. Þetta eru 1000 ára gömul tré, ólífutré. Og hérna var Jesú við bæn.
is good.
Yes.
Kján. Og altarið.
You see the window here?
Yes.
1 minute, maybe somebody not here.
Got it.
Just great.
I got it.
Just great.
I got
You
it.
get it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I got it.
Is the first wall around the city.
Yeah.
This we see the here. You can make photo if you like here.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see the church is Kepha's house.